Hello, my reading champions! Today, we're going to do blending sounds, phonics for struggling readers. We shall be focusing on the long and short vowel sound of letter A blending with letter M and S. This will be the first part of our blending lessons. A, 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 M, S, S, A, S. And now let's blend the long A sound with letter M and S. A, M, aim, 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 silent I. Aim, aim the target. M, A, may, 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 silent Y. May I play, Dad? Aim, aim, may, aim, may. Good job, children. Keep it up. Now let's have the short vowel sound A. A, A, am, I am happy. Mama. Mama has a baby. Ma'am, silent A. Good morning, ma'am. Wonderful, children. It's so easy to learn, right? Now, let's read again the words that you have learned. Mama, ma'am. This time, let's blend the long A sound with the letter S. S, S, A, say, silent Y. Say the word. Let's go. S, S, A, same, silent E. Same butterflies. Now with a short A sound, A. S, S, as as far as I can see. A, sh, sh, ash, 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 Ash Wednesday. S, s, mass, 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 mass. I attend mass every Sunday. S, s, Sam, Sam, Sam. My name is Sam. S, s, sh, sh, sash, sash, sash. I wear a sash. Wonderful, children! Great performance! And now let's read all the words that you have learned. Aim, aim, may, may, say, say, same, same, am, as, ash, ash, mama, ma'am, mass, sash, Sam. Marvelous! Marvelous! This time, it's your turn to read. Super! Super! I'm so proud of you, children. And now let's read these words into phrases and sentences. I aim. I aim. I may. I may. May I? May I? I say. I say. Say I. Say I. Same as I. Same as I. May I say? May I say? I may say. I may say. I may say aim. I am. I am. Am I? Am I? Same as. Same as. Same as Sam. Same as Sam. Same as Ash. Same as Ash. Mama says. Mama says. Mama says aim. Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, I am. Ma'am, I am. Mama says mama. Sam says ma'am. Sam may say. Sam may say. Mama may say. Mama may say. Ma'am may say. Ma'am, I am. I am, ma'am. Sam, I am. Ma'am, I am. Great job, children! Super! Super! Practice reading these words over and over again. Congratulations, children! You have just learned the long and short vowel sound of A blended with letters M and S. Reading is so easy if you have mastered the letter sounds. Well, in part 2, we will have another 2 letters added in our blending lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye! See you soon!